Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate this cute turning red inspired design. Start off by painting all of your nails sheer. For the first nail, make an orange oval for the head and fill it in. Use a beige polish to make soft triangles for the ears and fill them in as well. Next, get a very little bit of beige polish on your brush and dab it along the edges of the ears to make them look fluffy. Do this as well with orange to make the rest of the head fluffy. Using the beige polish, make an apostrophe shape on each cheek. Between the cheeks, make a soft triangle for the snout. Again, dab along the edges to make them fluffy. Use a slightly darker beige to add shadows to the centers of the ears, and then use brown for the nose. Use black to make a circle under the snout for the mouth, and 2 dots on the nose for the nostrils. Make 2 medium white circles for the eyes. Outline the top of each circle with a dark reddish brown and then use the same color to make dots for the irises. Darken the outer corners of the eyes with black and then make the pupils. Next, add eyebrows with beige. Finally, add some highlights and shadows with lighter and darker oranges. Sealing your design with a top coat. For the next nail, start out by making the outline of a hand making a V sign. Make 2 ovals, a V, and another oval for the thumb. When you're happy with the outline, fill it in and then dab the brush around the outline to make it fluffy. Use a darker orange to define the fingers. Try to blend it a bit with the base color so it doesn't look too harsh. Use a dark reddish-brown polish to make the center paw pad and then add a pad to the tip of each finger. Add some highlights and shadows. Finish off by adding a dot of sheer white to each finger pad and a curved black nail to the index and middle fingers. Sealing your design with a top coat. On the last nail, since the movie is set in Toronto, we're going to be painting a maple leaf. For this, start off with a vertical reddish-brown line coming up from your cuticle and build the leaf around there. I would definitely recommend pulling up some reference pictures when painting this so that you can see the right angles to base your leaf on. sealing your design with a top coat, and you're done. All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!